तेज बोलना है ना।
चल okay. So good morning first of all, and yesterday we left the topic at your Gitlab basics, somewhat basic but not the whole basics. We will be covering today as all the basics of Gitlab as well as the Git content, what is how we can use Git, because Gitlab is the like one of the SCM tool plus CICD tool, and then you have to use as well as Git there. So Git we have to use, and also we have discussed some basics. Yes, yesterday we have discussed basics. Today we will be discussing about Git, or what is Git, and what are the different concepts of Git, to how to push the code, how to commit the code, how to add the code, everything we will be seeing today. Okay, so let me check the credential, because yesterday it was not working. My credential was little failing. So what I will do, I will just try to go here and let me sign out first. Sign out and then sign in again. Sign out. It's not taking only. Okay, just hold on. Nope. Nope. No. So I think there is an issue in password. I don't remember the password. What I will do, I will just try to log into different account. Let me log into different account. Login. Here it will ask. So what I will do, let me go with the GitHub. I will choose GitHub, and this is my GitHub password. I remember the password. Sign in. Okay, this is okay. And what I will do, test Terraform. Let me just check it. Yeah, this is okay. Or what I will do, I will just create a new project. Yesterday we have done this, like to create a new project, and let me create a blank project. Future Techno India. Then this is I'm keeping public, and initializing the repository with readme. This is optional. I'm not selecting because my main purpose is to run the pipeline only. Not now. I will just use. So what I will do, I will just try to clone this. Where I can clone here only. Okay. Okay, so this I am deleting this, I don't need this. Okay, deleted. Deleted. I don't have access. Everything is okay, right? Make sure you have been correct access. Correct. Let me check the link. Okay, done. I was getting the wrong link. It's now cloned, and you have this is your empty directory, and inside you will see some, not some, nothing you will find inside. It's empty. Okay, nothing you will find. Now what I will do, I will just create a file. Let's say my file name will be, I'm just using the git concept first because you should be familiar with git concept. And let me tell a.txt, this is my a.txt, and this folder belongs to a. Okay, save. This I saved. As soon as you saved, okay, let me explain you first how it works. So git is your you can say CLI tool. Okay, CLI tool that will helping you to control all the actions in your GitHub or any SCM platform, GitHub or GitLab. So here if you see that git is a CLI, how you can install it, you can go and search for CLI, git install Windows 10 or anything. So you can note this one, download git, and then just go on the Windows and it will be downloading for you. As soon as you click on Windows, so you will see which Windows you wanted, 64-bit, and as soon as you click, so it will be downloading for you. I'm just cancelling this, and then you have to click next, and then install it. Nothing more complex. As soon as you install it, it will when you hit enter, or if you open CMD and if you hit git, so it should work like this, and you will be having git command ready for your like you can use git now. Git is installed. Now what is git? Git is a CLI tool that control the SCM platforms, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or any other SCM tool. Now SCM means your source code management. Source code management means you are managing the code, placing the code at a particular source. So you are managing the code, okay, placing the code in some other location. Let's say my code is in my currently in local. How it's local, let me show you. This is the local code. I just have this code. Assume this is the code. So this is your local code, and after this I have local, but I have to store somewhere. Means I have to give this code to a particular source. So in future I can manage this code easily, okay, whenever I want it. Because in my laptop, if I use this code and store this code in laptop only, and then maybe if it is deleted by mistake, so it will be having some issues, okay. So I will not be able to retrieve the code again. So that's why you have to store somewhere, so it should be there for a long time, okay. Now how you can control your, like, manage your code. So for that git tells you that if you wanted to use git, how you can use git. To using git, what is the purpose of using git? So git helps you to push the code, not to only push the code. To push the code, to retrieve means fetch the code, to pull the code, to anything. You can push it, you can pull it, you can push it, and if there is a conflict between push and pull, so you can also resolve that. And multiple branches you can create. I will show you. So these actions you can perform using Git CLI. So Git tells you that please if you wanted to use Git, so first of all what you have to do, which file you wanted to push. In my case, my file name is a.txt. okay, a.txt, and in this file if a.txt, so I wanted to push this to my GitLab. For this what I will do, I will try to tell to Git that please add this code. So for adding this code, I'm not pushing it now because there are certain steps you have to take into consideration, that Git will ask you, please add this code to my you can say my my local directory, like this. So it will tell you that to add this code where you want to add, so add this code, and local directory. Git maintains a local directory. If you see, I think you will not see now, because let me search for hidden folder. You will not see because currently there is no Git related file. So local directory means Git will tell you to add this file a.txt to local directory, and this local directory is known as staging area. Staging area. So in this staging area, if any files is placed, okay, if any files is placed to the staging area, then Git able to track the file, whether the file is in control of Git or not. Okay, so we have to tell that please add this code to your staging area, so Git will able to track the file. So how you can add it? So if you see Git add and my a.txt, as soon as you hit enter, so you will see some changes here. It's in if you see in the this is the you can say pending changes. This is pending changes. So as soon as you add this, so this pending changes will removed, or if you commit this, then pending change will be removed. Also the color will be changed because it's a Visual Studio Code, so it will be reflecting the changes by changing the colors. So you can install some extensions here from Git everything. So you can able to get, let's say, Git graph, Git blame, Git extension pack. This you can install it, so it can able to reflect. I don't know like which exactly it is, but you can just try to check it. As soon as you click on changes, so it will be telling you that this is a file you have, and previously it was nothing. So you added this. So minus means you didn't have, and plus means you added this as of now. And if you see, this is untracked. Untracked means Git is not able to track this file. Okay, so this is not able to track the file, so we have to add the file to the staging area, so it can able to track the file. So as soon as you hit enter, so it will be telling you that this has been done. So if you see, if you go above again, so if you see, the color has been changed. It was a pretty yellow, now it's it is like a green. Let me close this. Okay, now if I do git status means you are trying to get the status of the file which you have added. So as soon as you click, so it's telling you that this file is added to the staging area. Now please try to commit, and this is on the main branch. So if you try to see which branch you have, so currently you having only main branch. It will not show you because you currently will be on the main branch only. This is the main branch. Okay, this is the main branch. As soon as you switch to the branch, so it will tell you that which branch you are currently proceeding with. So this is your main branch, and this is your main branch, and nothing has committed yet. So please try to commit, because these are the changes to be committed. You have added the file to the staging area, and this staging area consists of this code. Okay, as soon as you commit -m. Commit means you are making a commit. Let's say in general what we do, like we are committing to a particular person that I'm staying with you or staying with not. So committing is one of the final decision you are making. Like before taking actions, you are taking commitment. Same thing we are doing. Before pushing the code, we are trying to commit the code. Commit the code means I'm taking a final decision that this code is fine for me, and I will just try to commit this code, and after that I will push this code, because this is my final code. I will not be changing this code in future, and this code is working fine and it's giving the desired solution. Just don't assume that this is the code. This is normal information. So like this you can assume, and then okay, and git commit. Then git commit -m means you can pass the comment is necessary. You try to commit not only single time, you try to commit multiple times. So how you can track the multiple commitment? So for that tracking multiple commitment, you have to generate some ID, like this ID. Let's say you have committed hi, then hello, then bye. So these are the codes. Okay, just assume that this is the code. Okay, this code I have committed first time, second time, third time. Now how I will track what is the how you can track that hello, what is the code of hello, or how you can go to hello. So for going to hello, so you have committed this, so they will generate you some ID 567F, like this general hexadecimal code. So they will just tell you hexadecimal code, different randomly generated, and then you can able to track it. So these are the commitments you have made in your code, and then you have committed 3 times. So that's why they will tell you, if you wanted to track, so referring the particular ID, okay, referring the particular commitment ID of your code will not be suitable, because you will not remember the commitment ID or commit ID. So for that you have to give a certain desired name. Let's say my first commit. Okay, as soon as you commit, so it will be if you see as soon as you commit, so this there is no changes now, because you have committed the changes. Okay, you have decided that my changes has been working fine, my code is working fine, I don't want any change now. This code works fine, so I'm making the final commitment. And after that, as soon as you commit, so as soon as you hit status, so it will tell you that you are on the main branch and nothing to commit. Work tree is clean, means you already committed, and nothing is pending now. So as soon as you push this code, how you can push it? Just git push, means you have made the final decision, and now you will be pushing the code. As soon as you push this code, so it will be going to your GitLab. I remember net 17 month 129. Password is, let me check whether it is not or not. So as soon as you commit this code, why it's not going? Okay, I don't know why it's not password. I don't remember the password. Nope, not this. don't remember the password, but let me try with, I tried with GitHub but it's not working. Only commit 17 133 129. Yeah, it's okay. Or what I can do, password, you can create the password. Okay, so if you don't remember the password, so there is also one option. You can create your token, a profile, I think access token, and let's say I will take hello, not hello, sorry, FTI token. You can give any name. Expiry date you can mention, or optional. Let me mention till today is 11. No, today is 10, I guess. Yeah, so it is expired till tomorrow. Okay, API, read API, you can give any access. I'm giving all. Generate personal token. This token generated. This is your token, so I will copy this and let me push this again. That's 17 133 129. Paste this token. Yeah, done. So actually one of the different way of pushing the code, like you can create git also get in GitHub, GitHub and in GitLab, and on any CICD tool, not CICD tool, CICD plus SCM tool, it will be telling you to create a token, and this token is valid till your respective time what you have given. So after that it will expire, and this will be helping you to it will helping you to any process when you generate a particular token. It will be helpful to or it will be helpful in place of your password. Like if you don't remember the password or anything, so you can use this token. Like in certain scenario you will not able to give the password, so they will ask you to insert the token. So there you can use, and this token is valid for all the repositories of your current GitLab account. So it will be helping you like this. So I just may given the other solution. So this is done. Okay, this is done, and this credential is saved, so it will not ask you again and again. So only ask it like it will ask you only one time, and as soon as you go now you can just if you don't remember, that's okay, but in future if you wanted to have this token only, you don't want it to generate, so just try to save this token somewhere else in a notepad file, and then just try to copy this and paste it while pushing the code. Or when you try to clone for the first time, so it will be just asking you the password, so just give this token. Now what I will do, I will go back to my future Techno India. Let me check this is the same or not, or yeah, this is the same one. So as soon as you see a.txt has been uploaded or pushed, so if you click on this, so it will, this folder belongs to A, or this file. I'm just giving the normal term, like doesn't matter like folder, or is it normal code, you can give anything. I just wanted to explain you how to track and push the code, commit the code, and everything about the get concept. Okay, now this is fine. Now what I will do, I will just try to tell can you show me git status, like what is the status, where are all the files. So nothing to commit, your work tree is clean. So what I will do, I will just try to, as soon as you let me make this not folder, this is file. As soon as you this file, so it will try to tell you that this file has been changed, and you will see one change here, and the same the changing in the white ball or white point. As soon as you save this, so automatically here you will see the changes has been made, and it will be reflecting different color. So as soon as you save this, okay, save this, so this is done, and this is done. One change has been done. So which change has been done? So you have changed from this folder to this file, because if you see file F start with folder start with file, and folder start with F and file start with F as well. So folder, so OLDER has been changed to ILE like this. And go back to this, so you can track everything what you wanted. So working tree, on the working tree you are working tree means working tree means a way, or you can say a way where you're going to push the code. They will be, I will show you how working tree look like. So there is a one beautiful graph they will just create for you. So that is your working tree. Now what I will do, git status, can you please tell. So this is the modified code, and this code has been modified. So currently it's not in the staging area or tracking area. So you have to add this in the staging area. Why? Because if you see git, here you have git and here you have staging area, and there you will push the code. Let's say GitLab, this is the desired scenario, and in the staging area, whatever the code will be pushed. Let's say we have pushed we have placed this code by using git add command, git add a.txt. So on the after pushing, after placing the code in the staging area, then you can able to commit this code and then push this code. So as soon as you push this code, so it will be going to GitLab. So like this it works, and like this it works, and then you can, but if you don't add in the staging area, so it will tell you modified or untracked. Okay, and if you push this code or commit this code, so it will tell you working tree clean. Okay, means working tree means there is no pending request on the working tree. So I will show you how working tree looks like. And now I will do git status again, git status, and then it's modified. So for making changes, I have to add to staging area. So I will add, or dot means all the files I have added. So currently I have one only, so I will add it. Okay, and then I will do git status, then it will tell modified, then I will commit, because I have committed to this file that I'm making final decision. This is my second commit. Okay, and then as soon as you commit, so you will see this has been changed and there is no change left. So and then if you do git push, so it will not ask you the password again, because it has been saved to where the password will save to where. So the password will save to ls-a, I think. Okay, so let me open this file. In my desktop. Okay, in my here. So if you come here, so this is your git folder. So automatically when you try to clone this code, when clone this code means when you try to clone this repository, or when you try to fetch this repository, or when you try to add this repository, so automatically it will just try to create this .git folder. Okay, this folder is generating all the you can say commits, everything, reference and logs, everything about your git. So all the information, all the tracking information of the staging area, all the commit ID will be maintained here. So if this file is deleted, okay, this folder is deleted, .git folder is deleted. Now after this, Git will not able to track the repository. Git will not be able to connect to your GitLab. So there will be a disconnection between your local and your GitLab. So don't delete this file if you are working and you have already made the commitment and push the code. So that's okay. Now you can delete it. It depends on your working scenario, but after this it will okay, and you can just delete it. But don't delete it, because if you delete it, so it will be Git will be assuming that this is the new repository, so you have to initialize it. I will show you how to initialize it if I will be deleting in front of you, and then I will be showing you everything. Okay, now this is okay, and then go back to it. So you will not see here, or yeah. So this is your. Now what I will do, this is okay. So what I have done only two commands. two command, that git add, then three command, git add, git commit, and then git push. Now what I will do, I will try to add this code to my staging area. Let's consider a scenario. You have added this code a.txt to staging area, and now after your adding this code to the staging area, you came to know that okay, I have added the wrong file or wrong content. So what you will do, okay, I will just give you a scenario that okay, this is my hello, this is wrong file, wrong sentence. Okay, this is okay, and I will do git status, okay, git add, I have added, okay, git added. Now where you are, git status, you are in the modified, you already modified, my commitment is pending, I will commit, but I'm just showing you this is my wrong sentence and this is my wrong code, you can say, okay, the wrong code. And what I have done, I have just edited this, means I came to know after my adding this code. So what I will do, I will just remove this, and it will go back to proper. Okay, proper means it will go back to normal. But if you see here, it is not going back to normal. I wanted that the same thing should be there, like you have edited this code now, but it's already giving you that you have already modified now. So please this modified this, or add this to a staging area, and then again, but I don't want to add the staging area, I only wanted that it should go back to the normal. Okay, so for this, what I will do, I will just try to tell, to Git that please remove, okay, please remove a.txt, remove error -f, please remove this file from staging area. I don't wanted remove this file from staging area. As soon as you remove, sorry, it's deleted. Oh, it's deleted. Yeah, it's deleted. I think there is a different command. It deleted. I deleted the file. Now what you will do, you deleted this file, and my code is already saved here. This code I wanted. So what I will do, I deleted this file, I don't have, and you cannot go back. Okay, so there are multiple ways. So first, what you can do, you can pull this code. From where you will pull the latest code which you have pushed. Okay, this was the only code I have pushed now. So as soon as you pull this code, so it will be telling you already up to date, but it's not coming. Okay, I think what I have done, I will go here and check for undo, git undo changes, git undo changes, something you will see here, I don't remember. Git checkout, git reset is my, I'm referring to reset. So as soon as you reset, so it will unstage, git reset again. Oh. Git checkout, yeah. So if you see, I have just resetted. Reset means you are trying to reset the commit which you have made, and after this you have checkout. Checkout means it will bring back the code to your local file. Okay, so what I have done, I just deleted this file, and if I try to pull it, why it was not pulling? What is the reason? Like, what is not? I have just deleted a.txt file. Okay, how I have deleted? Git rm -f means forcefully, and then a.txt. So I have deleted this file. After deleted, I wanted the code which is already there in GitLab. So one of the way, you can just try to clone this code. I don't want it to clone because I already cloned it and deleted it. So after that, I will pull this code. Git pull I will use, but using git pull, it will bring the code which is already there in your .git folder. So .git folder has a tracking ID that you already deleted it, but I have the tracking ID. So please try to use different commands. So git pull will not work there. So what I will do, I will just try to reset this. I will try to reset this, that please go back to the normal stage, and then I will do checkout, so it will be coming back. So as soon as you see, so this is your code, and if you try to see git status, nothing is done, so it is back to normal. Okay, so this is okay. So back to normal means I just try to reset this. So as I will show you again, let me tell hello, or let's say wrong code, save this, then I will do git status, git status now modified. Now I made the wrong file, modified means wrong code I have given, but I wanted to go back to normal. So what I will do, I will just use git reset. As soon as you reset, so it's resetted, but you have to do checkout to make the necessary command. As soon as you do checkout, so it back to normal. I will show you again. So this is wrong code, save. Now I made the wrong code, like I made the wrong changes. So I will tell this is my git status, okay, but I don't want it to, or let me add it first to staging area. I've added to staging area. Okay, this added to staging area, git status. Okay, this is done. And now what I will do, I will just I came to know after that I have added wrong file. So after that I will do git reset, that please reset, go back to normal, and then git reset, git checkout. So if you see, this works like this. This is one of the if you're working with large environment, so you will have multiple files, like thousands of files you have. So in that file you will be really confusing, and then this trick will be helping you to bring back all the file to the normal. Okay, now this is okay, this is done, and this is done. So what I will do, I will just try to delete this this file, this folder. Okay, I will just try to delete this. As soon as you delete, okay, now I have deleted. Now as soon as you do git status, so it will tell you no git repository, means you have deleted the git repository only. No git repository, you have deleted the repository only. So for that you cannot bring back the file, because you haven't used git command to delete. You just go to the file manager and then deleted this. That is a wrong habit. You don't have to do like this. So what I will do, I will just try to close this file again, and I will future Techno India. I will delete this folder as well, because I don't want it. Okay, I don't want it means I just deleted this. I will copy this. Cannot open because I have deleted this. And let me open the terminal. So what I will do, I will git clone and then paste this code, so it will be cloning for you, and you will see the folder is created, and see future Techno India. And now I'm in main branch. So I just came to know that now if I do git status, so nothing is coming because you clone this code and then nothing is done, nothing is there. So what I will do, I will just try to change this code, new changes to this file. I'm just giving anything. So git status, then git add, I will be adding, then I will be again telling that okay, now I don't have added the wrong one, I added the correct changes. Now I will do git commit -m, third commit, git push. As soon as you push it, so it will be asking, not asking, it will be just trying to push this code. And as soon as you go here, and you will see one file, 𝐸.txt, and in this file you will see this file. Now what I will do, I will just try to show you the graph. You can check the graph. Blame something you will have here, I don't remember. Third commit, this is your commitment, but yeah, graph, I guess this one, graph. So as soon as you go here, so you will see some graph. So automatically I'm in the main branch, I made the necessary commitment, okay, for the first commit, second commit, and third commit. So this is a normal graph. You can compare it. You will not be able to see compare, because comparison has some certain meaning. We can able to compare from two branches, but only one branch I have, so there is no such thing. Now what I will do, I will just try to create a different branch. Okay, I will just try to create a different branch. Git status, nothing is there, and I will do git branch, sorry, not branch, let me check branch. So currently I'm in the main branch, so it will be the asterisk symbol will be targeting to the main. Or git checkout, okay, git checkout, yeah, git checkout, I'm checking out, I'm creating a new branch. I'm checking the new branch with -b name, and let me create a dev branch. So this is the normal syntax of normal commands of creating the branch. So git checkout -b dev. So switching to new branch dev, as soon as you click on the new branch, so it will be telling you that this code now, this is the new branch. So as soon as you git branch, so the asterisk will be targeting to dev branch. Now what I will do, I will just tell to B, this is B, and this file belongs to B, and edited by dev branch. I'm just giving any name, and git status. So it will be telling you that you are on the dev branch, and please add this file to staging area. So the same process you have to carry. Add this files to staging area. I've added this file to staging area, status, and then this is your file added to staging area. Staging area, how you can confirm that this is the green color, so it will be added to staging area, and if it is untracked, so it will be showing in the red color. Okay, then git commit -m dev commit first, or let's say dev1. Okay, and as soon as you use git push, so it will be showing you please use this command. So you will be pushing to before pushing the code, please try to check the branch. This is the normal behavior or normal human behavior. What we do, we just try to change the code, everything is done, and then try to push this code automatically. But please try to check the code as well as the branch, which branch you are targeting and which branch you are pushing the code. So please try to check it. So currently I'm in the dev branch. I made the final decision that I will be pushing the code in a dev branch only. So as soon as you you have to use this command, paste this and push set upstream, and then origin and dev. Origin you can give any name here, that doesn't matter, and the dev branch, this is the branch name. So as soon as you hit enter, so it will be telling you that it will be pushing to this code to your dev branch. Okay, nothing is there, like everything is done appropriate. Dev branch has been pushed. New branch means you have created a new branch and push the code to the new branch. Okay, now if you come here and if you go down, not down, in back, so which my first project, or yeah, this one. So as soon as you see two branches are there, previously it was one branch only. So previously there was one branch, and now you have two branches, so main and dev. Dev 1 minute ago you have created, and this 4 minutes ago you have created third commit. So everything you will see files, go back to the files again, and then you will see that this is a main branch. So main branch, you will see there is nothing change in the main branch. As soon as you switch to the dev branch, so dev branch, you will see this file belongs to be edited by dev branch, like this. As soon as you go to graph, so you will see some change, that a new tag has been came. So dev is one of the new branch has been came. So like this you can try to make the necessary changes. Now what I will do, new changes by dev branch, okay, and then git status. Okay, now this is untracked. I will add to staging area, then git status, it is in green color, git commit -m dev -2, second commit by dev, then git push, done. So as soon as you refresh this, so you will see dev2 has created, means if try to understand this, the there's a pointing of, or you can say where the main branch is pointing. The main branch is pointing to the last commit, not the first commit, because the ending behavior, or not the ending behavior, the ending work has been done by the main on the third commit only. Every work in the git is referred, or you can say is tracked by their commit ID. So if you wanted to retrieve the work of a particular person working on a particular branch, so try to go to the person and ask which branch you are working. So they will tell you like this branch, this is my branch. So go to the git and then try to search the branch, and then what commitment has that particular branch has been done. So they will just reflect you in this graph, and you can just try to comment, try to make the necessary changes. Okay, let me add one more, third changes to to dev branch. Save this, git status in untracked, add staging to staging area, it's in green color now, dev3, git push. Okay, the same things, the same code will be reflecting there. If you go now, if you refresh this page, so you will see the dev is pointing to the last commit, dev3 commit. Okay, and what I will do, I will just try to go in the files, and I will show you that you have in the dev, and we are working in dev, and this file, the same file, you will see third changes to the dev branch. Now what I will do, I will just try to move to move to main branch. I am in the, now I came to know that okay, I wanted to work in the main branch. So I am just telling which branch I am located currently, so you can use this, but in your case it will not see, like this is a symbol for GitLab. Okay, this is symbol for GitLab, Fox for GitLab, and then the dev branch. And here if you see, if you don't have this shell, so what you can do, you can use git branch and then dev and main. Okay, and dev and main you will see. So I will check out -b main. Now this -b means you are creating a new branch, but I'm not creating the new branch, I am going back to my previous branch only. So you don't have to give -b. -b is for creating the new branch only, and then check out main. So you should switch to the main branch, and your branch is uploaded, means you have made the necessary commitment and push the code. So you are okay with this code, and it's working fine for you. So git status, nothing is there, working tree is clean. Now this is a working tree. Okay, what I was showing to you, that this is your working tree. I was referring to this. So this is a working tree like this. It is working small working tree, but in company, if you are large work you are doing, so more work you are doing, so depending on that you will be having different multiple branches and multiple working tree. Then I will do okay, next change by main branch. I am making the changes. I'm telling show me the status. It's untracked. So where it is untracked? It's untracked in the main branch. So git add dot status. So it's in the main branch. I added the staging area from the main branch. Git commit -m. Let me check. Third commit, fourth commit. Okay, and then sorry. Fourth commit. Okay, so and then you can push this code. So as soon as you push the code, as soon as you refresh this, so you will see the main branch has going to the new commit. Understand this graph, that this line is for main branch, this line, tracking line, is for main branch. Main has committed 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and from here the new branch has started. And the new branch has been started, and then it is trying to commit 3 times. So dev has committed 3 times, so then they have created it. But there will be certain scenarios that dev wanted to merge to main. Okay, dev wanted to merge to main. Main means let's say main is working fine. I will just explain you this, because this is little important. So main has created a repository. As soon as you create, you will have the repository by the main branch, and you have created 3 commits, initial 3 commits. Okay, and after this you have created a dev branch, just as I showed you, a dev branch. Or let me try to get this. Okay, so here if you see, from here only it is try to create a new branch. Okay, new branch, and then dev branch is there. So initial 3 commits by main branch, and then you have created a new branch, that is dev, and here you have 3 commits by dev branch. And after this, what you have done, you have created means you have gone to the main branch again, and you have created a next commit. Now you have 4 commits by main branch. Okay, like this. So if you see, the 4th commit has been created from the main branch, this one. So this is a separate line, and this is a separate line for main, and this is for green for dev and red for main. Okay, like this. But what if you wanted that, okay, main was working fine, he has given the code to dev. Okay, they have given to go to dev, and dev is researching the code and researching the project, and he's trying to add this. He has made the necessary commitment 3 times after the 3rd commit by the main branch. So he has created 3 times, and now this code is working fine. Okay, this code, the last commit means here it's working fine, everything is working fine by dev. It's a Python code, it's a game development code, and it's working fine. And main branch main branch was also working. I'm just giving a scenario that main branch is also working and dev branch is also working, and then main branch also researching, and dev branch came to know that this is working fine. This is working fine means this code is working fine. And this can be suitable for the company, like this. So what dev will tell to main that please try to merge this code. So I will tell dev will tell, okay, dev will tell to I will tell get status, please try to merge this code. Dev will tell to main, please try to so who will merge? Okay, dev will tell, but main will merge this code. Means it will try to make the means what is my merging means. Let me check the changes, or let me not compare. not compare, commits. Okay, commits. So this is your fourth commit, and this is your third commit. So in the fourth commit, if you see, this was the code of dev branch. Okay, dev branch, I guess. No, it is for main branch. This is for main branch, and this code is it was not working. Okay, it was not working. Assume this, it was not working. Now dev they have created, and this code is working. So main wanted this code. Main wanted this code, and main branch will be requesting to dev. So please try to. I will try to main will try to merge the dev branch. So I will tell where I am, git branch. So it will tell you are a main, so everything is working fine. I will try to merge this code. So merge, okay, merge, git merge from where you wanted to merge, from where you wanted to combine this code. So I have my developer was working with the dev branch, and he was looking pretty good, and he was it was working very fine and accurate. It was giving the accurate result. Any code, like I'm just giving example, and it was like dev is working fine, and then I will try to get this code. So merge dev. So I will try to get merge and dev, because I'm the main branch, and then I will be merging with the dev. So as soon as you merge it, so it will be telling you that you are created a merge conflict. Okay, you are trying to create the merge conflict. This is a scenario. Happens in every company. Like every company means if you're working with multiple branches, and what you have done, you have okay, this is your let me explain this code only. Let me go here in the graph only. This is really important, so I'm just telling you. Copy and paste it. Okay, so you have so here if you see this code was not working, this code is working. So currently on the main branch, and you are trying to get the main branch dev branch code to the main, dev to main. But why the merge conflict has been arisen? Like why what is the reason behind this? So I told you that this code having different content, this code having different content, and that's why it will not able to merge. Merge means if there is a separate line, so it can merge, but all the code will not be able to merge, because there is a different content in this file, this different content in this file. So that's why it is giving issue that the merge conflict has been arisen. And what they are telling you that 4 condition they are telling you. Accept current change, or let me go with this. You are in the main branch, this is your dev branch code, means you are trying to gather dev branch. Okay, dev branch code to the main branch. So this is a dev branch code will be coming back to my main branch, because my developers were working fine, this code is working fine, and not this code, means this whole code, this 2 code has been changed, this 2 has been changed. So this is the normal code, this is normal code for the first time, and this was your change to the different commits. So this 2 code was working fine. Okay, this 2 was working fine. So what it will tell you, what they will tell you, dev branch, that I am giving, or merge will tell you that I am giving 4 conditions. Accept current change means this current change. Okay, this current change. Okay, or accept incoming change. Incoming change means current change means this is your change. Means main branch has changed. There will be nothing taken by the dev branch, but that is not my concern. My concern is only that my developer was working great in this code, in this project, so I wanted that code, I wanted the developer's code. So here you will see the incoming change will be coming by developer, so you can accept the incoming change in this scenario I'm talking about, not in both scenarios. So if you wanted to accept the both changes, so you can accept both, or if you want to compare the changes, so I'm already comparing it. So I wanted to take the incoming change. So as soon as you click on incoming change, so merge conflict has been resolved. You can save this now. Okay, so this is the behavior of your, or you can say, merge conflict. It's one of the important topic in your in your git concepts. So as soon as you use git status, so this is modified now, so you have to push this code now. Commit this, add this code, because the code has came from the dev branch, so it's added to the file of the main branch. So then if anything change, so there they will be reflecting you that please add to the staging area, and then please check the status. Please check the status, so it's added to the staging area. Git commit -m merge conflict FLICT resolved. Like this you can mention, like I was facing some merge conflict issue in this particular commit. So the third person who was referring to your who was seeing your repository and commitment ID, so they will be able to know that okay, this guy is working on merge conflict and he has resolved this merge conflict and this commit ID. This is a commit ID. I told you that this is a hexadecimal code, but you will not able to remember that, so that's why you are just trying to give the different name. So if you see, you are trying to merge this code from dev to main, and it was done. So it's done. So, and as soon as you commit this code, so you have back to the main one again. So this is the normal, you can say, important, or you can say a beautiful way of representing your code of your Git code or just everything. So it will be looking, you will not be able to confuse if you're not using this particular ID. So it will be helpful to just use this ID only. Doesn't matter, like if you are okay with your CMD, that's okay. Git I just made the commitment. Now what I will do, I will just try to push it. As soon as you push it, so if you go back to this, and if you go back to this, and you will see, so you will see this has been merged. So this symbol means merge conflict has been resolved. Merge conflict resolved. So this is the commit, and this code started from here, new branch is created till here, and this from here to merge here. And now this code is doesn't matter, like this is not the right code. Main was working fine, main branch was working fine, and he was not able to research pretty well. So this code is same as this code. Dev branch, the last commit of dev branch is the last commit of your main branch, I guess. Main branch plus this code plus this code. This code plus this code has been given to the merge, or means is merged now. So as soon as you go and check the files, means this is the fourth commit. Okay, I'm just referring to, let me go, this is your merge conflict code. This is the merge conflict code, so it will tell you that which code you have changed. So in the green you will see third changes to the dev branch, new changes to the dev branch, this changes to the dev branch. So these three files has came, so sorry, this three sentence has came from the dev branch when you will try to merge this code. On the first 1, 2, 3 in the red color or pink color, it is from the main branch only. So I don't wanted to make the changes to the main branch. I wanted to grab the code from the dev branch to bring the incoming code to the main branch from the dev branch. So like this it works. So I just showed you like how to remove the merge conflict and how to bring the code from the dev branch to main branch, and similarly vice versa you can do. So this is your the important you can say. The git is very important if you are not familiar with git. So please try to watch this video again, and then try to learn the concept. You will not get in the first time, but as soon as you try to do multiple approach, multiple examples, so you will be getting all these things. Okay, nothing much, and I think that's done for today. But it was really important. So please try to watch this video again, like this video again, subscribe this video, subscribe the channel, sorry, and follow this channel for more interesting stuff. Okay, till then, if you have any question, you can uh, bring this sorry, if you have any questions, you can just comment on the channel, and then I will just try to resolve your query. So till then, take care and bye.